now. Away they go. They leap in unison away from the gate to infinity and beyond. Orthodox, Liza's wisdom, wow, Jassy, Ruby Gentry, and moving up by the route is the Mansuria, down on the inside is entry number 2, Ideal View, Nihao, back to the front runner to infinity and beyond by linking up Liza's wisdom, moving up by the route is the Mansuria, Orthodox, rushing up in between runners is Ruby Gentry, Ideal View, wow, Jassy, Black Label, Wondrous Swing as they race the final corner to infinity and beyond by about 3 lengths. Liza's wisdom, Ruby Gentry, closing now in second to infinity and beyond. Ruby Gentry is running on the outside to grab the lead. Ruby Gentry the leader and the Mansura to infinity and beyond, and nearing the finish line it's Ruby Gentry, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second, the Mansuria, Orthodox, 6, Grey Magic, 3 to infinity and beyond. Then comes wow, Jassy or Ideal View.
10-7, 12-6 nakita ko.